Active Learn is the program that we use to help to support the teaching of maths at home for the children. So if you search for Active Learn in a Google search and then click onto the activelearnprimary.co.uk website. When it opens, you need to select Login, and you'll need to put in your username and password, and the school code for all year groups is 7MSA. So sign in, and then you can see activities that have been set for your child. So here where it says My Stuff, that will give your child some games. So they'll say opened if your child's already started those games, or new resources that have been uploaded. Okay, so your child can work through those games to help to develop their math skills. When they achieve different levels within the games, they're awarded points and coins, which they can then use within this section here in My Rewards. They can use them to buy things to decorate a virtual treehouse and things like that. What's nice about this program is that the games match what has been taught in class, so it gives you a good idea about how the children are doing with their maths development, and anything they find tricky on Active Learn, you would then know that you need to give them a little bit of input with that at home.